Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken. So let's get started. The week started on the 27th May, and this is the first trade gold to 20-minute chart from 2341 to 2356 using my system. All the trades are taken by the setup with 4 conditions. You can see the trade buy order is right there. SL move to break even plus. Initial SL is always 25 pip. Hard SL always 25 pip on the 20-minute chart. 7-minute chart entries in SL is 15 pip only, right? So if I'm wrong, I get out quickly. If I'm right, I take it to the longest distance, right? So let's take a look some more trades here. This is the first one, then this is the second one. Pound yen, beautiful entry, long entry here. Trade is right there, buy entry for 50 pip on the 27th. And on the 27th, this is also Aussie yen. Yen was getting weaker, so all yen pair went up. The 50 pip here on the 27th. This one is also pound USD, beautiful by the book setup. Buy orders right there on the 28th is for 50 pip. Also 50 plus, I don't have exact. This one, S&P 500 going down. I'll make the S&P 500 video later on, separate video. I mean, it came down beautifully, exactly according to my Elliott wave prediction, and it's still on track. So I'll make a separate video. It's amazing. So here is a short setup here, right? So from 53.05 to 52.88, sell orders right there on the 28th. On the 28th, again, USD yen, long setup, 50 pip, buy orders right there. On the 29th, USD, again, this was the first one you just saw, then the second dip, the second entry here again for 55 pip, buy orders right there. Next is USD yen, beautiful long setup. This is also it's like from 7-minute chart. Those two or 20-minute chart. This is from my my son's computer, his account. Also, he took it from the 7-minute. Usually, he trades 7-minute charts. Now this one S&P 500 again going down here. Beautiful trade here as well on the 29th, and then this is again the second entry, and then going down on the next day. That was 29. This is 30. Sell orders right there. And let's see, this is a Nasdaq, right, going down on the 30th. Sell orders right there. Not too big, but small trade, right? But something. And pound Aussie, 7-minute chart entry here. Sell orders right there, and it went down to 70 pip. This week wasn't moving it much, right? So that's why you see the most of the trades, forex pairs, I have like 50 pips, 60 pips, 70 pips. That's it, right? This one gold, beautiful trade on the 31st today, and the seller is right there from 23.41 to 23.21. And now this one, S&P 500 went down again, nice and clean on the 31st. And there's another one, Nasdaq is also came down beautifully on the 31st. They're both supposed to be coming down. I have a wave count coming down for wave 4, and they did. Now already they started the wave 5 to the upside. So next week is going to be all up, up, up. Nasdaq and S&P 500 I'm talking about, and Nikkei. So yeah, so this is what's happening. Anything else? Yes, see this S&P 500 again. Once it made the short setup and then hit the wave 4, finishing, and I had it that is going to be going to the upside for wave 5, and then beautifully the wave 5 started right off the at the end of the wave 4, and look what happened. Beautiful long setup here. This is a buy order. Now I was going short, and all of a sudden it's a buy order. Look, from 52.18 to 52.86 just on Friday, on 31st. S&P 500, right? As well as Nikkei. You see that? Beautiful. It was bearish here, and all of a sudden turned bullish, and then after that, boom, went all the way up there. All right, so these are the trades taken, and like I said, that I'm going to make the Nasdaq and S&P 500 video later on, and then I'll show you that how easily I'm tracking, the first fourth wave coming down to the short side, and once the wave 4 was finished, and they started go up, and then I went with them again. First were long, and then Nasdaq didn't give me the long setup just yet, but the S&P 500 and Nikki gave me that. And as soon as I see my alarm beeps, and then boom, trade open and gone with the win. Right, Nasdaq went up as well, but it didn't give me the setup, so no trade there. All right. So this is it for now. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna be making some new videos with the new setup. Like I said, that S&P 500, Nasdaq, we have 5 going to the upside. So you will know exactly what it is and how it is going, and how far it is gonna go. Okay. So that will help if you're trading those things. So like I said, this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.